Super excited, super excited. Customer brought their TRD Pro in here to install all kinds of stuff. Listen, this is a story. Customer brought all the parts here and we're gonna install it for him. We're gonna do the reveal, you know, pull the curtain on you.
I'm going out of town next Friday.
So you want it done before Friday?
No.
No, of course, dude.
Let me tell you something, Max. I don't want you to rush.
Alrighty then. Alright guys, we got the 4Runner on the lift, and let's get started. Go. Don't tell me what to do. Alright guys, we're going to start with the suspension. We're going to remove all the old components, shocks, springs, upper control arms, all the stuff that we need, and then start building with new and cool stuff. I can't wait. Alright guys, we got the front suspension out. As you can see, it's a TRD Pro. It's a well-designed suspension, but you know what? It's not as good as we're about to show you. First system. I don't know why it's being so difficult. There it is, folks. Dude. Great. Well, first of all, this is a coilover system. Not only that, it has an external reservoir, very durable and very strong. And you can adjust the right height. We have just taken out the old upper control arm and we installed the SBC new control arm that's totally adjustable with caster and camber. Alright guys, we got the front end done, everything's dialed in, and we're going to go to the back. Alright guys, that settles with the lift kit, tires, breathers, skip plate, and now next stage is bumpers and other stuff underneath the hood. Miguel did warn me, he said, Max, don't look underneath the hood. We're gonna do the bumper. Alright guys, we took off the old bumper, and now all this has to come together into this. It's gonna be fun. Alright guys, the scariest part is cutting a brand new bumper, but you have to do it. Bam! 2 pieces. Get out of here. All right, guys, we are done with the bumper. Literally, guys, I cannot believe how much work it went in this bumper. ARB makes good stuff, but the little pieces and details you have to do is just stupid overwhelming. I kid you not. I can't stress enough how difficult this bumper is. But hey, we're done. Stop talking about it. Let's move on to underneath the hood. We gotta still connect the ARB compressor, and I gotta still install the snorkel. Let's get on it. Super excited, we're done. As excited, okay, listen. We got super excited when we brought it in. We're even more excited that it's done. And we can't wait for the owner to see it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. We had tons of fun building this 4Runner. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.